Imagine this. You've just installed a brand new car audio system, eager to enjoy crystal clear sound on your drives. But something's off. Distorted sound, blown fuses, and even the terrifying threat of electrical fires. What went wrong? The chaos of incorrect wiring can lead to a frustrating and potentially dangerous situation. It's crucial to understand the importance of proper wiring practices. Picture a clean, organized wiring setup, each wire carefully connected and secured. Contrast that with a tangled mess of wires, connections haphazardly made, and fuses constantly blowing. The difference is clear. Incorrect wiring can cause blown fuses, leaving you stranded and frustrated. Distorted sound can ruin your listening experience. And, even more alarmingly, wiring mistakes can lead to electrical fires, posing a serious threat to your safety. So, what can you do to prevent these issues? Prioritize proper wiring practices and always double-check your work. And if you've encountered challenging wiring problems in the past, share your experiences in the comments. Let's learn from each other and create safe, effective car audio systems. Don't let the chaos of incorrect wiring ruin your audio experience. Take the time to do it right and enjoy the rewards of a properly functioning car audio system.